Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So a few days back it was my birthday, and since all of us are in this lockdown and cannot go out, I baked a cake for myself. I definitely did not want to compromise on my health too much, so I replaced refined flour and refined sugar with Ragi flour and jaggery powder. Also, it is eggless. I made some chocolate ganache to pour over it because no birthday cake is complete without chocolate, right? It is healthy, nutritious and delicious. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get cooking. Firstly, sift together 150 grams of ragi flour, 150 grams of whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and keep it aside. I'm extremely sorry I couldn't shoot the full video, but I have all the clippings with me. Now take another bowl, put in about 90 ml of vegetable oil and 75 grams of jaggery powder. You can also use melted ghee or melted butter, and in place of jaggery sugar you can use coconut sugar or date sugar. Whisk these two ingredients really well to combine it. Once that is done, we'll add about 100 ml of curd and 160 ml of milk and whisk it really well so that everything is combined. Add about 3/4 tablespoons of vanilla essence. Mix it again. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients to the wet ones. You can add this in parts. Try to fold it in with cut and fold method without over mixing the batter. Use a spatula. Apply some ghee, butter or oil to your baking tray and then pour over the batter into it. If you have 2 baking trays, you can divide the batter into 2 and bake them separately. Here I have cut this one into 2 halves. Preheat the microwave oven at 180 degrees and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can insert a toothpick and check if the cake is done. Once you remove the cake from microwave oven, keep it aside to cool down a little. Meanwhile, you can start with the chocolate ganache. Since I did not have any fresh or heavy cream available with me, I used this method. In a bowl, add 1 packet of Amul dark chocolate bar or any chocolate bar which you have, 60 grams of butter, microwave it for 30 seconds at max, not more than that, and mix it with a spatula. It will start to melt. And after that, add about 75 ml of milk to it. Now add 50 grams of sugar. I've used brown sugar over here. You can use your regular sugar or icing sugar, caster sugar, whatever you have. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now whisk it using a hand whisker machine. If you don't have this, you can use a normal whisker, but it will take a lot of time. This took me about 10 to 12 minutes. I have cut the topmost layer which was uneven and kept it aside. I'll use it later on. Now I'm dividing the cake into 2 halves. You can do the same thing, but please be careful. Now add the chocolate ganache to the bottom layer generously so that you get a nice thick layer of chocolate ganache on the cake. Spread it evenly with the knife. Now add the second layer of cake on it and add the rest of the chocolate ganache. And also do not forget to cover the sides to make it look more prettier and complete. As I did not want to waste any cake, the topmost layer which I had removed initially, I have crumbled it and decorated the sides of my cake with it. Also, I have put some icing sugar as a garnish. It's done. So that's how I made a birthday cake for myself in this lockdown period. Look how the layers are coming out. I hope you guys liked my recipe and will definitely try out soon, especially in this lockdown period. I would love to hear what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Please do not forget to tag me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Also, please check out my other healthy recipes. I'm linking it over here. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Chubby Chick. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.